It is spring break, and Munchkin and I decided to do a little makeover of this room. We did two things. I got so tired of cleaning toys that I decluttered everything and kept only books, dolls, and magnetic tiles. And we painted the walls and furniture, which had crayon scribbles all over them. I have never painted a room before, so I was crossing my fingers and hoping for the best. On top of that, I'm afraid of heights. And Munchkin had to give me a pep talk about climbing the ladder.
Ew. Ew.
Ooh, smell.
Does it?
Yeah, don't.
Ew.
But in the end, this little project created a ripple effect and started a transformation.
That's enough. Mix really well.
With the one little room getting much needed love, I started decluttering and cleaning other parts of our house too. All I did was declutter, deep clean, and reorganize a few pieces of furniture, but the house feels new. And the craving for something new furniture, decoration, perhaps a complete renovation, that craving has quieted down. I even started appreciating my routine more. I've cooked chicken and rice for dinner countless times before, but I decided not to treat it like a mundane and boring chore. It's hard to explain, but when I put more care into cooking a meal, the food tastes more delicious, even when using the same ingredients and recipe. I wanted to create a space where my kids could enjoy reading after dinner. To make sure they enjoy being in the room, I let them choose the colors. They chose pink and purple, two of their favorite colors. Pink for the accent walls, and lavender for the furniture. Even though our painting skill wasn't that great, my kids think the room is so pretty.